You know that saying you can change your reality by changing your thoughts? Is that true? Do you believe it? Are you like, this might be a load of shit? It's true. I'm going to tell you why. Here's what happens from a science perspective. When you perceive something through your senses, it is perceived in the mind, and the mind then signals to release hormones based on your perceived experience. Now, all of the systems that respond to this hormone production do what they need to do, right? This is why we have fight or flight. This is why we have all of these systems that allow us to respond to our environment based on our thoughts. However, what's the main driver? And this is the secret sauce, you guys. Our perception of the environment is actually the driver of our biology. Now, not everybody's perception is the same. In fact, every single experience that you have, you can ask somebody else who's standing right next to you to give an account of the same experience, and they are going to give you a totally different response because their perception is different. Where does their perception come from? Their perception comes from conditioning from childhood up to the age of 6. Go check out my other videos for wondering the science behind conditioning. And it also comes from previous experiences and what they have already been conditioned through their experiences and perception. So all of the subconscious things that are happening are really what's driving a lot of your perception. And when you're like, why am I attracting all of these things? I don't think I do that. There's a whole bunch of biology that actually goes into what actually happens in the cells in order for all of this cascade of things to happen. But all that you really need to know is that because of your perception of your reality that you sense with your 5 senses, it affects your biology based on your hormone production, which trickles into proteins, which proteins do a slew of jobs in the body. So this is why it is so important to watch your thoughts.